My name is Brandi Briggs. I'm studying mechanical engineering at the University of Colorado Boulder. My research is focusing on studying preterm birth and how we can essentially lower the rate of preterm birth and really understand the different mechanisms that cause it. One mechanism is preterm premature rupture of the amniotic sac, and this happens when the quote, "my water broke," happens too early in pregnancy, and we don't really understand what causes that. So what Carly's doing right now is gluing a transparency to the exposed layers of the amnion and chorion. And what this does is it stiffens the tissue, so that way when we put it in our system and pull apart these two layers, it'll actually just test the interface. And what we'll get from this test is the strength of that interface and across different parts of the tissue. So I am studying membranes that rupture at term to try to understand the process that leads to that, so we can understand the things to look for that may cause it to happen too early in pregnancy. So the Dean's Research Grant has helped us to understand why the membranes break during pregnancy. It allowed us to run an assay that's really critical to be able to understand what's going on in the tissue, and in particular it's allowed us to quantify the collagen fibers in the tissue and how they are cross-linked to each other, which is a really difficult assay that people in the literature are just starting to get interested in. Another thing that's been great about going to CU is the ability to mentor students. My advisor, Virginia, has been really great about teaching me how to mentor students, and I've been able to practice that by mentoring several students over the course of my time here at CU. Yeah. My experience at CU Boulder has been great. It's been really successful, and I've had a lot of fun while being able to do some really unique research at the same time. So.